Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project. Building your very own magnetic stirrer. This handy tool is perfect for chemistry experiments, or even just mixing up your favorite drinks. It's surprisingly easy to make and uses common, inexpensive materials. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a computer fan any size will do, but a larger one might give you more stirring power. You'll also need a small, strong magnet. A neodymium magnet works best, but you can also use a magnet from an old hard drive. Additionally, you'll need a box or container to house the fan, a platform or surface to place on top of the box, and a magnetic stir bar. If you don't have a stir bar, a paperclip will work in a pinch. Alright, let's get building. The first step is to mount the magnet onto the computer fan. You can use hot glue, epoxy, or even strong tape to secure the magnet to the center of the fan blades. Make sure the magnet is firmly attached, as it will be doing all the work. Next, place the fan inside the box. Make sure the fan blades are facing upwards, so when it spins, it can create a vortex in the liquid. If the fan has a protective grill, you can leave it on, but make sure the airflow is not obstructed. Now, create a platform or surface to go on top of the box. This will be where you place your beaker or container holding the liquid. The platform should be big enough to support your container, and allow the magnetic stir bar to move freely. Now, for the moment of truth, place your beaker or container onto the platform, and fill it with the liquid you want to stir. Drop in your magnetic stir bar. This is the key to the magic. If you're using a paperclip, make sure it's clean. Plug in the fan, and watch the magic happen. The fan will spin, and the magnet will rotate, causing the stir bar to spin and create a vortex in your liquid. You can adjust the speed of the stirring by controlling the fan's power supply. Some computer fans have a speed controller built in, or you can use a variable voltage power supply. And that's it. You've successfully built your own magnetic stirrer. This simple device is great for mixing chemicals in the lab, or for creating perfectly blended cocktails at home. It's a fun and educational project that shows how easily you can create useful tools with a little creativity. Remember to always take safety precautions when conducting experiments. Wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves when dealing with chemicals. Always supervise children while they are using the magnetic stirrer. Have fun experimenting, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool DIY projects.